you know, or the upright walkers or anything like that, what you run across is the reimbursement is not even close to even covering cost of what the item is. You know, some of these items are $200 and $300. Can be one of the up walkers is up to $600. So the insurance is not going to cover that. It's not able to cover it because it doesn't, you know, their reimbursement doesn't cover it. So you won't get that under insurance, and a lot of this will be cash purposes or cash payment, I should say. So just keep that in mind when you're doing things like this. I think it will hopefully be helpful for you. Talk to your doctor, talk to your insurance company, and the biggest question I can tell you to ask them is ask them, do you cover it? Which most all of them are going to tell you yes. But ask them, what is the medical criteria for the rolling walker or rolling walker with seat? What is that criteria to get covered, so you know what you need to talk to your physician about in order to get something, you know, qualified for insurance. I hope this was helpful. We're trying to do all sorts of videos that we're giving you education and talking to you about. You can get most all these devices on our website at All Star Medical LLC. Please don't forget to subscribe to our page, as we're constantly putting new information on here.